depression can both look alike. In both, we are sad and tearful and feel disconnected from the world. However, in grief, there is a realization that it is temporary and the pain will heal over time. In depression, there is a feeling of complete hopelessness and there is never any imagination of feeling better. Grief can come in waves, ebbing and flowing. Depression is pervasive and relentless. In grief, our ego feels the pain of having lost a loved one and seeks to end the pain by either replacing the lost object with a substitute or by letting go in the physical world and holding the loving memories of the object in the inner world. In depression, such a letting go seems impossible and the lost object is internalized and pathologically made a part of the self. All of the anger, guilt and sadness that was to be directed at the lost object is now directed at the self because the object is now a part of the self. Therefore, depression is characterized by feelings of worthlessness, rage against the self, and low self-esteem, ultimately building up to a desire to kill oneself. In grief, one feels that there is no pleasure left in the outside world, whereas in depression, there seems to be nothing worthwhile left inside the self. In some cases, prolonged mourning can mutate into depression. Psychodynamic therapy seeks to help those suffering from depression by initiating structural personality change rather than focusing only on symptom relief. The aim is to help resolve the underlying feelings of worthlessness and to facilitate the mourning and letting go of the lost loved object. The therapist helps the patient revisit and deal with painful childhood experiences while providing the care and holding that the patient missed out on in his life. The alliance between a therapist and patient is one of empathy, nurturance, and understanding. As patients gain insight into the workings of their inner world, they become more attuned to their true emotions and are better able to create strategies to cope with losses that they might face later in their lives. Psychodynamic therapy is therefore focused on long-lasting and in-depth intervention. Coming out of depression is hard, but it is not impossible. It is possible to find support, to find a small ray of hope inside the hopelessness. We need to remember that there is a way out of the black hole because there can be no shadows without there being light. All we need to do is reach out.